Welcome back. So before we start building anything, let's get familiar with the key terms you'll see across Z360. This lesson is a quick glossary, and once you know these concepts, everything else in the Academy will click faster. Let's start with contacts. A contact is any person in your database, a customer, a lead, anyone you do business with. Each contact has a profile with their name, email, phone, and a full history of every conversation, ticket, and inquiry tied to them. A conversation is any exchange between you and someone across any channel, email, SMS, phone call, or live chat, and all of these land in your inbox. Now here's something worth knowing. If someone messages you and they're not already a contact, Z360 keeps that as an independent conversation. It doesn't auto-create a contact. You or a teammate would need to create one manually, or your AI agent can do it as part of an ability workflow. However, if someone submits a form or enters as an inquiry, they're automatically created as a contact. Tickets are for support issues, things that need to be tracked and resolved. If a customer has a problem your AI agent can't fully handle, it can create a ticket and escalate it to your team. You or your teammates can also create tickets manually. Each ticket has a type, a priority, an assignee, and moves through statuses until it's resolved. Leads are the sales side. When a potential customer fills out a form on your website, that entry comes into Z360 as a lead and lands in your pipeline. The simple way to think about it is, tickets are for people who need help, and inquiries are for people who might buy. Now, let's look at the AI side. Your AI agent is what handles customer interactions automatically and operates in two modes. The inbound agent activates when a customer message matches a trigger on one of your abilities. Someone sends a message, the agent recognizes the intent and runs the matching workflow. The outbound agent is tied to your inquiry pipelines. When an inquiry sits at a certain stage, the outbound agent proactively reaches out, follows up, qualifies, nurtures, based on the workflow you have defined for that stage. The knowledge base is where you store your business information, your website content, documents, FAQs. This is what the agent draws from when answering customer questions. Integrations are the tools your agent can use inside ability workflows. Z360 has built-in tools like creating a ticket, updating an inquiry, sending a message, and it also connects to over 1,000 third-party apps. Things like Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, HubSpot, Stripe, and more. Once connected, these tools become available as app notes inside your abilities. Abilities are the skills you teach your agent. Each ability has a trigger, the customer's intent, and a workflow of steps like collect information, check conditions, take actions, and respond. You build these in a visual editor or through Ask Z. And then we have Ask Z, your personal AI assistant. You interact with it through natural language to create records, look things up, search the web, use your connected integrations, and even build abilities and pipelines through conversation. Two more terms you'll see a lot. PAYG stands for pay as you go. Z360 charges based on actual usage, no fixed bundles. This covers things like SMS and MMS messages, simple calls, AI-powered calls, AI agent chat turns, Ask Z chat tokens, phone number rental, and third-party integration usage. Everything is metered, so you only pay for what you use. And 10 DLC, which stands for 10-digit long code. If you're US-based and want to send SMS, US carriers require you to register your business and your messaging use case. There's a one-time brand registration fee and a monthly campaign fee. We'll walk through the full registration process in a later lesson. So that's the language of Z360. Contacts, conversations, tickets, leads, pipelines, abilities, integrations, knowledge base, Ask Z, PAYG, and 10 DLC. You'll see these everywhere across the platform. Next up, we'll actually sign up and walk through the onboarding process step by step.